All right, so let's do a quick roll call. Let me tell you what we have here. We have some broccoli florets here, and this is frozen broccoli. If you want to use fresh broccoli, you can. We have some white rice. I've already cooked it, guys. This is about 3 cups. Some cheddar cheese, cream of mushroom, milk, some fresh chopped garlic, some onions chopped, salt, pepper, paprika, and some garlic powder. So this is all we need right now. So let's get started. All right, so to get started, we're gonna take our frozen broccoli and we're gonna warm it up in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Once we get it out the microwave, we're gonna drain it and we're gonna come back over, all right? All right, so we're 5 minutes out of the microwave. As you can see, we got that liquid in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the liquid. Now what I wanna do next, or what you wanna do is, I'm going to chop these pieces here into like little smaller bite-sized pieces so we can have them pretty much scattered throughout the casserole. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come right back. And keep in mind, this broccoli is not fully cooked at the moment. It's just warmed up, all right? Okay, I've drained our broccoli, cut them in little bitty bite-sized pieces. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our rice to this bowl, along with our onions, our cream of mushroom soup, milk, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, salt, and a cup of our cheese. And we're just gonna get this mixed together, just like this. Make sure you combine this really well. And once you've combined it really well, you wanna take your broccoli and you wanna get it folded in. All right, and once you got that mixed well, we're just gonna move this aside real quick. Bring over our baking dish. Spray it with a little cooking spray. This is a 9x13. And you're gonna take your spoon and you're just gonna spoon this, or just pour it in here like this into your baking dish. And now we're just gonna spread that out evenly through the pan like that. Guys, you know what's next. Take the remaining cheese and sprinkle it over the top. Now that we've added our cheese, we're gonna go ahead and place this in the oven. We're gonna let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. It's on 350 degrees, guys. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. We want that cheese to be bubbling, but we don't want it to get too dark, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the oven. All right, guys, we've done 30 minutes in the oven. This is what we have out of the oven. Take a look at what we have right here. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we see what this baby about. All right, we're back in here. Quality control time. I got my broccoli rice casserole. Man, I love broccoli. I love rice. And man, I love cheese too. So you add those 3 together, you already know you got a winner. Let's see what this is about. Let's take a look at that. Oh man. Oh goodness. Man, this is delicious. Flavors on point, seasoning on point. You don't need to add anything else, especially if you use the measurements I use, you're good. So guys, this is definitely a great recipe, especially for a Sunday with family or during the holidays where you gather with all your family. And you can definitely have some leftovers also. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.